Welcome back, guys. In this lecture, we're going to discuss about inheritance. So, let's say we have the class called showroom, and we have the two methods like Honda and Suzuki. Then we called Honda and Suzuki creating the object of the showroom class, and then we also have the instruct constructor. Sorry, yeah. So, let me define one more class called showroom child branch. So I have my own one more function called let's say I have one more constructor here, which I do not want to print anything at the moment. And let's say I have my own child. Let's say I have one more. Let's say I have Yamaha showroom newly launched. So again, self. I'll just give on print statement. Launch. For now, I'll just give one print statement. Child constructor. So here to make connection between the parent class and the child class, we just need to pass the parent class as an argument. So now now the child class got the all the variables properties and even methods, everything can be accessible through child class. If you create the object for the child class, then the parent class properties are inherited to the child class. Just we need to pass the showroom is a class of parent which is as an argument. So let me create object for this the child class constructor, child branch equal to just creating object for the child class. So let me comment out these so that we will see the real magic. So because otherwise it will invoke the parent and child both, so it will get confused. So let me launch it through here. Here one thing you should remember, even parent class have the constructor, right? It's always you should call the parent class constructor before having your own arguments. Showroom dot. So even it is expecting one argument, well, let's pass it as this time Hyderabad. Let's see. And child branch dot. See, in our child class we have never nowhere defined that Honda or service or Suzuki, but still it is showing along with the Yamaha. So that's if you remove this showroom, you will not see, you are seeing only this Yamaha but not Honda or Suzuki, right? So that's the relationship which we inherited from parent class to child class. So I'll just call this Honda and see how this gonna work. See, I am default constructor, which is not defined in the child class constructor. It is in the parent class. So it has invoked the parent class constructor first, then this is the child constructor, then it has printed the child class constructor, then it has moved to Honda services available in Hyderabad because we have called explicitly only the Honda from parent class where self-taught city is also invoked. So Hyderabad, which is passed in the child class object. Okay, I have passed it directly. Yeah, so that's how the parent-child relationship work in this Python. That's it, guys. Thank you.